What's up, guys? So in this video I'm gonna try to show you how to change rotors and brake pads, or at least brake pads for now. Someone obviously didn't change it for a while because I believe they didn't know how, or they didn't care, one of the two. Anyway, in order for you to remove it on most cars, you just gotta remove these two bolts, which is a 13 on this car. But on this one it's a little tricky because there's a bracket for your brake cable right here. So you gotta remove the nut over there, which is a 13, and then you gotta gently tap this around in order to, there you go, and you gotta tap this around, wiggle it around so it'll come off. There's a spring right there. You gotta remove this, and then you gotta keep tapping until this comes off. As you can see, this is located on a special thing right there. See it? You gotta take this off right there. That, I believe what it is, a Torx bolt. Once you remove that bolt right there, you'll be able to take off this bracket and get to your 13. How convenient. Alright, as far as the size, you need the size 30 to take the nut on this bracket, which is for your brake cable. So we need a 30 Torx socket and a little 1/4 inch drive, and make sure to tap this on with a little hammer. Make sure it's in there so you don't strip it, because once you strip it, you're screwed. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna spray some PB blaster on this actual nut and give it a few minutes. Maybe it'll help a little bit. I have an access to the torch, so I can torch it up. What I usually do, I torch bolts like this, let them cool off, and they usually come off really freely. But if you don't have a torch and you don't want to, just trying to use it only what you got, then you just gotta spray a little bit WD-40 PB blaster or any other rusty solutions that you got in a spray that you got with you. So you definitely might need an extra wrench to hold these up. I was able to push one with the hammer. This is a 5/8, it's a little bit bigger, but it takes 13, same one as the back, just to hold on to it while you're turning. It was the same way on the top one. Use the 5/8 of 13, and I use this one to take those bolts out. Now this is pretty rusty. I may have to use like a pry bar or hammer to hammer this out. Oh boy, there was not a whole lot of left of brake pad. Look at that. Gee. Yep. No wonder rusted out, the car wouldn't move. Oh, that's not how you're supposed to change your brake pads. That's definitely pretty bad. Wow. Right, you gotta make sure all these little pistons are moving. If they're moving, then you're good to go. Put the new rotor, new brake pads, wire brush everything, clean everything nicely, and we're good to go.